Stage 2 Songbirds Phonics. Dr. Duck. Bob Bug was in his cot. Get up, Bob, said Dad. But Bob did not get up. I am hot, he said. Bob is sick, said Mum. Quick, I will ring Dr. Duck. Mum is a fusspot, said Dad. Mum Bug rang Dr. Duck. Come quick, she said. Bob is sick. Quack, quack, said Dr. Duck. He got his box of pills. I will mix this pill up with some milk, he said. Sip this, said Dr. Duck to Bob Bug. Yuck, said Bob, but he had a sip. Quack, quack, said Dr. Duck. I will come back in 6 days. When Dr. Duck came back, Bob was hopping and singing. But Dad Bug was in bed. I am hot. I am sick, he said. Bad luck, Dad, said Mum. Dad is a fusspot, said Bob. Stage 2 Songbirds Phonics. Dr. Duck. Focus phonics. K, k, ooks, ooks.